Hey y'all, what's up? What's happening? I pulled my braiding hair out and she looks like she's been going through like I don't know. I'm like, I thought she was more sleek than this the first time that I wore it. You can't hold on to that hair like you hold on to Marley hair, huh? I guess that's what I'm used to. I'm gonna start right here. So everyone told me that I needed this comb back when I was using my blue comb to part my hair and I was struggling. And they assured me that this comb would help me. This comb has not helped me at all. I'm still horrible at parting. But yeah, guys, I just sprayed my hair with some water after parting it down the center for my braid. I also added some of my Plentiful moisturizer because it allows me to really detangle my hair easily. Added some gel and I brushed it a bit, and now we're going to add a braid down the middle. I struggled quite a bit with this braid because my nails have gotten so long. I may have to cut them down if I ever plan on wearing any type of braid styles. But yeah, I did the very best that I could. Make sure that your braid down the center is very neat. It will be the focal point of your style. And of course, this is the easiest part. We're adding gel and we're going to spray some water and we're going to brush our hair up into a very neat ponytail. Oh, I forgot to mention that we slicked down our baby hairs as well. Yeah, we used some gel. Pretty simple. And once we get our hair into that ponytail, we're going to braid the hair that's left out and we're going to put our hair into a bun. You want to make sure that this bun is as small as you can get it. Now you're going to take the hair of your choice and you're going to wrap it around. Hopefully you're using the same technique as me. If you are, you've seen me do this multiple times. Maybe not. But yeah, I'm going to grab a piece from the bottom and I'm going to begin wrapping that around. And I like to use this technique because what I'm doing is I'm basically trapping my bun within this braiding hair using the same exact braiding hair. Do you see how that works? I pull a piece from the bottom and I begin to wrap. I will continue to wrap until my bun is within the base of this ponytail. So I'm basically wrapping around my top knot that I have in my head. That's pretty smart, huh? And another trick I learned is to grab little tiny pieces toward the end because that'll keep you from having to use a bobby pin. And guys, this is optional, but I'm going to braid my ponytail and I'm also going to add a rubber band halfway through. I wish I had more hair. This is thin. I need double the hair. That just really messed up my hairstyle. I'm not gonna wear my hair like this. Nope. That's how her hair was. And I would wear it if my ponytail was thicker. Like this little bit of ponytail right here, honey. This ain't gonna do it for me. So, if you have this hair, and you have another pack of it, or like half a pack, I would add it to it if I was you, and still wear it. But this is how her hair was. It's just so adorable to me. It was an old photo, but it was still very cute. What's that? Y'all, I was about to yank this ponytail off. I thought it wasn't black. I was Ariana before Ariana. Yeah, that's the end of this video. The style was not a complete fail. I just feel like I need more hair if I'm gonna wear this style. I don't like how skinny the ponytail is. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in the next one.